War day number 952. 952 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, October the 2nd, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Excuse me. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with one of these 3 puzzles, and the first one is a 4 stars Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 9367. Let me zoom this. 9367. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. A 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes, while it's indicated by the publisher. With 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. We have a 9 in this row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 9 should be there. Then. Let me see. 1 in this column, first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And we have a pair, the 3 and 8 in the last row, the 3 and 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places level, the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place level 1 should be there. 4, 7, 9. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 9 in this column. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1 is left in the last row for number 7. 4, 5, 9. So we have a 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So that column, only place level 4 is should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then. 6, 7, and 8. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes that appear in this big square. The numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, 7 and 5. 7 and 5. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. All right. Wow. Then. How about? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. Then 3, 7, 9. 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in the second column. Should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for 3. Should be there. 6. Okay. Then. Wait. 6. 6 in there. 5. 2 missing numbers in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the first column alone, place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left now in the third column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Here also 6 and 8. 2 numbers 7. How about 8? 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. Well, here 2 numbers left. No. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. Well, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 6 should be there. Here we have 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column. Oh, no. We have all the 9s, I believe, and all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. 6 and the 8, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 8 goes there. 6 on 8, we have a 6 now, so this box should be an 8. 6, and the 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, first row. 6 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. On there, we have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers 1 and 2. Yeah. 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes in there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, only 2 places left. 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this one, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left, and this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left, 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be in, and 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, 7 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 12 minutes. Well, again, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be at 0 stars. And, yeah. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.